Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is 11th June and अभी सुबह के बज रहे हैं 7:30. मैं आया हूँ ऐसे ही बाहर एक वॉक लेने. So Didi and Jiju are sleeping right now and I woke up quite early, so I decided to come out for a morning walk क्योंकि और सोने से फ़ायदा नहीं है, so और स्लीपी ही फील होता. So सुबह का कुछ ये हाल है. You can see traffic everywhere already, people going out to their workplaces and whatnot. So guys, so we've come for the breakfast now. Didi and Jiju are all ready and मुझको नहाना बचा हुआ है. So I've ordered chai and look how they've got it. So they have the filtered chai and अलग से they've got lactose free milk. So we are supposed to pour it in. ढक्कन को पकड़ लेना, नहीं गिर जाएगा. वाह वाह ताज. You guys, so breakfast हमारा हो चुका है सर्व. I have ordered chicken with fried egg. Jiju has ordered croque monsieur, which is like a French dish, and Anjali has ordered a vegan breakfast, which has like potatoes and egg. And also I have my chai latte, which is basically doodh and filtered chai. So we are having a breakfast, and in the meanwhile, I want you guys to enjoy the time lapse of this. ऑल रेडी एंड टाइम हो गया है 11:31. अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं आज के अपने जर्नी पे. दीदी जीजू ऑलरेडी नीचे पहुंच गए. आई वेंट अपस्टेयर्स अगेन टू गेट माय शेड्स एंड here we are staying in this hotel called Rum. This is the name of the hotel. So ये बहुत ही प्राइम लोकेशन पे है बुडापेस्ट में, एकदम सिटी सेंटर में. एंड हियर दे आर दीदी एंड जीजू. तो अब हम लोग निकलने वाले हैं. हमारी पहली डेस्टिनेशन क्या होने वाली है अंजलि आज?
दोहानी स्ट्रीट, साइना.
What you're looking at right now is basically the Budapest ghetto, also referred to as the Jewish ghetto, which was a place where the Jews were forced to relocate during the final stages of World War II. This ghetto existed between 1944 and 1945, and later in this video you're gonna see places where graveyards of about 3,000 people are built in one single place. This is basically the graveyard of all the people who died inside this place, and it has graves of about 3,000 people all in one place who were killed during the war.
are at the oldest Jewish museum.
Yes, that's right.
Let's go inside.
Guys,
जिसको वो जो बोलते थे ना कि जिसको दिया था उन्होंने मछली, वो है मोजिस। भगवान ने इनको वो जिसकी पूजा करते हैं वो मोजिस को दिया था।
so guys, हम लोग म्यूजियम
A few moments later.
हम लोग म्यूजियम में हैं एंड बहुत ही यहाँ पर डिप्रेसिंग माहौल है। मतलब पता नहीं क्या हो गया इतने साथ में। We just had our lunch in this very beautiful restaurant that we found in the middle of nowhere, and right now I think we'll be proceeding. Sorry?
Because the restaurant it was found in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I mean Anjali found it with her research in the middle of nowhere is what I meant to say.
Okay.
And अभी हम जा रहे हैं Parliament of Hungary, the Hungarian Parliament. So let's go. So we're in this place just outside of it. It's called Vertias A Vita, which is basically a church यहाँ का, and ये बहुत ही massive बना हुआ है, as you can see. And ये भी city center में ही है. So we're gonna go inside and see कि इस time entry यहाँ पे चालू है कि नहीं है. Guys, I have to speak really softly, and as you can see, this place is absolutely massive. The ceiling is super high. I think one of the highest ceilings I've ever seen in my life in any structure per se. I have no idea if on camera it looks that high or not, but in reality it is just super high.
So guys, we found this really cool fountain in the city center of Budapest, and as you can see, जैसे ही आप उसके पास जाते हो, there are sensors in the ground and वो activate हो जाता है, and वहाँ से fountain बंद हो जाता है, and when you move away basically towards the center, that part of the fountain starts again.
एक दो ओह गुड बॉय चलो बस
So we've arrived at the Hungarian Parliament, and as you can see, the building is really massive again. Guys, we are right now on the bridge, and behind me is Pest, and जहाँ हम चल के जा रहे हैं, that is on the end of this bridge is Buda. So technically right now we are in Pest, and हम लोग चल के जाएंगे Buda, and when we reach the middle of this bridge, तो फिर technically हम Budapest में होंगे. अभी हम लोग currently Pest में ही हैं, and उधर हम जाएंगे to get Yo guys, so I'm on top of this bridge. थोड़ा सा और ऊपर जाते हुए, although it is not allowed, but I'm just having some fun here. Look at Achal. Look at she's just scared, and जीजू बढ़िया बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. यहाँ से व्यू गाइस बहुत ही मज़ेदार आ रहा है.
So I got a few pictures clicked on this bridge, followed by us walking to our hotel. And after about 30 minutes of resting, we went to a restaurant where we had our Italian dinner. And that is pretty much how we ended our day, with about 20,000 steps walked. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
बन्ना रे बालम झूला पड़ियो तेरी गली में तेरी गली में तेरी गली में झूला पड़ियो बना दे खा दो आके